Okay, Jack, what we want to do is go to gmail.com. So just go right up to the top. Don't put it in a browser, put it in where you can put a web address in. And then you'll have some options. If it's not there, then just hit use another account, right? So it's that one for me. This is your personal account. We just created, or you have yours, jackaaa09 at gmail.com. Go ahead and log in. Put your password in. If you haven't used it in a while, it might ask you for, verify this or that or whatever. And then it will come on to here's your Gmail. You go right up to let me move this over a little bit. To the right here, you hit that icon and then hit calendar. Okay, let's scroll over. You hit calendar and then you will hit Jason. If you haven't accepted it yet or not, I did send it to you, so you might have to accept it first, but hopefully it's easy to tell how to accept it. And then you go right here to Jason and scroll over. There's three little dots here as the options, and you go down to settings and sharing. And here's the calendar settings, and you scroll all the way down to general notifications. And this says new events, changed events, and canceled events. And you just switch this from none to email. And it will automatically save it in like 2 or 3 seconds. You'll see it appear at the bottom. It'll say saved. So there's no save button, but you just press those. And it takes a few minutes for it to, uh, log in and realize the change or whatever. So if you want to test this, you can create a test event on the calendar, but then just make sure you erase it. But you will get an email from any event, change event, or canceled event. All right. So that's at least the Google part that you'll get that when Jason puts that in there. So the next thing will be FeelQuick, and hopefully that you'll start getting emails by using the new Gmail account. So that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. See you, buddy.